Hi everyone. Hello students, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. So today I'll share a very interesting concept. We'll learn some short tricks for algebra which can be used in many competitive examinations. But before that, you should understand some algebra or identities. Then we can derive some short trick and you will find that there will be very interesting result and you will enjoy the beauty of mathematics. So what I'm doing, I'm taking x plus 1 by x as a value. It may be your 2, it may be, especially I've taken 2. Now from this, I'll get x squared plus 1 by x squared. I'll get x cube plus 1 upon x cube, x to the power 4 upon 1, x to the power 4, so on. I'll try to find it. You will also learn how to find it. First, to get this one, I'll square this expression. 1 by x whole square is equal to 2. And you know the formula for a plus b whole square. How much it will be? Square of a square of b plus 2 is a multiplies b. So I'll write here x square. 1 by x square is 1 by x square because square of 1 is 1 plus 2 multiplies x multiplies 1 by x is equal to 2 square is equal to 4. So I forgot to give a square here. X plus 1 by x is 2. So x plus 1 by x square is equal to 2 square, that will be 4. So now simplify this, x will be cancelled. So what I'm getting? I'm getting x square plus 1 by x square is equal to how much? 4 minus 2, that will be 2. So this gives me x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 2. This is equal to 2. Now coming to x cube plus 1 by x cube. For this, I'll take the x plus 1 by x. Then I'll take cube both the side. I'll apply the identities a plus b whole cube. I'll take. What is it? It will be a cube plus b cube plus 3ab within bracket a plus b. So if I'll apply here, the cube of this is equal to 2 cube. It will be x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3x multiplies 1 by x within bracket first term plus second term is equal to 3 cube is 8. Now if I'll simplify here, this will be cancelled and this value is your 2. I'll put here. So in the next line, I'm getting x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 multiplies how much? 2 is equal to 8. So this gives you x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 8 minus 6, that will be 2. Are you getting the interesting result? X cube plus y cube 1 by x cube is equal to 2. So now let us see for this one. So now I'll go for, I got this expression, I'm writing again. This is equal to 2. I got x cube plus 1 by x cube is also 2. Next I am going for x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. For this, I'll take this expression and square both the side. X square plus 1 by x square is equal to 2. Now squaring both the side, I'll get x to the power 4. So it will be x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 plus 2 x square multiplies 1 by x square. This is equal to 2 square. Again, I forgot, it will be 4. So x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. This is cancelled, plus 2 is equal to 4. Or this gives me x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 is equal to 4 minus 2. How much? This is again 2. Next I'll come for x to the power 5 plus 1 by x to the power 5. How I'll get this? I'll just multiply x to the power 5 plus 1 by x to the power 5 can be obtained from the expression what I'm writing here, x cube plus 1 by x cube. This I don't know how much I'll get it. I'll multiply these two expression. See the magic, how much it will be. If we'll multiply, first you are getting x cube multiplies x square, then you are getting x cube multiplies 1 by x square, then you are multiplying 1 by x cube into x square, then you are multiplying 1 by x cube into 1 by x square. It will simplify. And what is x cube plus 1 by x cube? This is 2. And what is x square plus 1 by x square? This is also 2. 2 multiplies 2, that will be 4. Now I am simplifying this. It will be x to the power 5. This will be x. Third term will be 1 by x. And fourth term will be 1 by x to the power 5. And what is the result? Result is 4. So x to the power 5 plus 1 by x to the power 5 plus this I'll put the value. How much it will be? 2 is equal to 4. So this gives you, I'm writing here x to the power 5 plus 1 by x to the power 5 is equal to again 4 minus 2. That will be 2. Next I'm coming to x minus 1 by x is 3. Let us find other terms. So how to do? Before that, let me write two more expression. One is if x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, how much it will be x minus 1 by x? That also you can find out. How you'll get? You'll take square both the side. So it will be x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. Now you have understood how you are getting 2 because these are cancelled. This will be your 2. 2 square, that will be 4. So x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 2. Now I am coming to x minus 1 by x. I am writing square. X minus 1 by x is x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 into x into 1 by x. So this is equal to 2. Okay. This is equal to how much? This I will find out. It is not got. Sorry, very sorry. It's not the value. I'll find this value. This is not the value. Now it will be x square plus 1 square is 2 I can get. 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay. So I'm getting your, if x plus 1 by x is given, I can get x minus 1 by x. Similarly, if x minus 1 by x is given, you can also get x plus 1 by x. So x plus 1 by x, I'm writing directly the formula. Its square is equal to x minus 1 by x whole square plus 4. Let us see, verify whether I'm getting left hand side, right hand side or not. So the left hand side is x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 because x into 1 by x will be cancelled. This is LHS. Now coming to RHS. RHS will be x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 into x into 1 by x plus 4. So how much you are getting? You are getting x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 you are getting. So this is also another important formula by which you can convert one to other. So x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to x plus 1 by x whole square minus 4. So please note these two formulas so you can convert from one to other. If it is plus, minus is given, you will add 4. If plus is given, you have to find out x minus 1, then you will subtract 4. So let us see for this particular question what will be x plus 1 by x. You can write yourself and you can verify. So it will be simple 3 square, 9 plus 4. It will be 13 only. So x plus 1 by x whole square is 13. So x minus 1 by x is equal to under root 13. Okay. Now coming to, so we have got, I'm getting x minus 1 by x here. X minus 1 by x whole square is equal to x plus 1 by x whole square minus, how much? Minus 4. You can remember. So I'll get x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to 4 minus 4, that will be 0, or x minus 1 by x is equal to 0. So we got so many things from one expression. Now I am coming to when it will be negative, x minus 1 by x is equal to 3. I'll get same method, I'll get this, all this expression, x square minus 1 by x square, x cube plus 1 by x cube, or I can get minus plus, both I can get. I can get negative, I can get positive, everything I can get. After understanding, you can get everything. You can get x to the power 4 minus x to the power 4. You can get x4 plus 1 by x4. So everything you can get it. So I'm going one by one. First is to get this, I'll square both the side. So x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to 3 square 9. Now write the expression x square plus 1 plus x square minus 2 into x into 1 by x. You have understood? So no need of writing. Directly you can write 2 here. It will be 9. So this gives you x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 9 plus 2. How much? It will be 11. One part is gone. Next coming to x cube minus 1 by x cube. So here I will apply the formula a cube minus b cube. This I need. So I'll write a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab within bracket a minus b. This formula you need to find this. So now x cube minus 1 by x cube is equal to x minus 1 by x whole cube, because I am separating this a cube minus b cube is equal to, let me explain again here if it is not understood. No problem. What I'm writing 1 by x is equal to 3. I'm cubing both the side. So it will be x cube minus 1 by x cube minus 3 into x into 1 by x within bracket x minus 1 by x. So this is equal to 3 into 3 into 3, 27. So from here, x cube minus 1 by x cube minus 3, and what is x minus 1 by x? 3. It will be 27. So I can write your x cube minus 1 by x cube. So here I am writing the formula. What is how much? It will be 3x into 1 by x within bracket x plus 1 by x. No need of writing this one. Directly you can remember this is formula. What is it? Minus, this is plus 3 into x plus 1 by x. Directly I can put x cube minus 1 by x cube is equal to, so x minus 1 by is 9, cube is 27 plus 3 into 3 as here. So how much it will be? 36. So 36 is the answer. So I'm taking another one. So we learned what to write. First, we learned to write your x square plus 1 by x square. That will be x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2. Right? So 3 square plus 2 is 11. Then I got x cube minus 1 by x cube is equal to x minus 1 by x whole cube plus 3 within bracket x minus 1 by x. So it was 27 minus 3 into 3. Sorry, plus 3 into 3. It will be 36. Next I am coming to your x to the power 5 minus x to the power 5. So in the many competitive examination, this question is asked. So how to find out? This is we get by this expression. What is it? X cube your minus 1 by x cube into x square plus 1 by x square. We start from this expression. Let us see, let us multiply how much you are getting. I'm getting x to the power 5. Then I'm getting plus x cube divided by x square ax. Then I'm getting minus your 1 by x. Then I'm getting minus 1 by x to the power 5. This is the expression. Now if I'll arrange it, it will be x to the power 5 minus 1 by x to the power 5 plus x minus 1 by x. So this you can remember as a formula. It is x to the power 5 minus 1 by x to the power 5 plus x minus 1 by x. So if you are separate, you can write this one, or I'm writing, putting the values. What was the x cube minus 1 by x cube? It was 27, and x square plus 1 is equal to 11 is equal to x cube minus 1 by x cube plus x minus 1 by x is 3. So if I want to separate it, it is not 5, it is not 3, it is 5. Then x to the power 5 minus 1 by x to the power 5 is equal to your 36 multiplies by 11. How much it will be? 396 plus 11 plus 3. 3 will be subtracted here, not it will be subtracted. So let me write clearly, because 3 will be subtracted there. So this will be 393 answer. Thank you for watching. You can practice some more questions, but write down the formula. And please subscribe the channel and like the video, share it. Thank you for watching.